Standard 3rd, topic composition. Subtopic save water. Hello student, I am Meera Singh and today we are going to learn an interesting topic in composition. So let's begin. Now student, tell me what is there on the screen? Yes? Correct student. On the screen you can see well, rain, river, tap, lake and stream. So student, now tell me what is the similarity in all these pictures? Tell me student. Yes, correct student. So student, you can find water in well, rivers, lakes, streams, in tap and also rain. Rain also gives water. Very good student. Student, life is water. Otherwise, it is impossible to imagine the life. Water is a precious gem given by nature, which is our duty to keep it clean. Life is clean if the water is clean. We have to understand the importance of water. Otherwise, saving water will not do anything. Student, the amount of water on our earth is 3/4. Yet, we have to save through the water crisis. Water is being shed in unnecessary works. Student, so now let's see how we can save water. So student, let's begin. How we can save water and use it carefully. Water is very essential resources. Without water, it is impossible to live. Student, water resources are sources of water that are useful to humans and it is important because it is needed for life to exist. Student, due to the expanding human population, competition for water is growing. And student, without water, it is impossible to live. Water is present everywhere in oceans, lakes, rivers in large amount, but it is not suitable for drinking. Student, it is unsafe to drink water directly from lakes, ponds, streams and rivers, as these open sources contain bacteria. Student, if you consume any of their contaminant, you can fall sick. This can cause symptoms like diarrhea, weight loss. And student, we also cannot use ocean water. Ocean water is toxic to human. Student, water carries nutrients to all cells in our body and oxygen to our brain. Water allows the body to absorb and assimilate minerals, vitamins, amino acids, glucose and other substances. Student, water flushes out toxic and waste. Water helps to regulate body temperature. Water is really very necessary in our day-to-day life. Due to increasing population, water is required in large amount and due to this reason, some regions are facing scarcity of water. Student, the water scarcity is mostly man-made. Due to excess population, growth and mismanagement of water resources, the rises in population leads to higher demand for water for domestic, industrial, agriculture and municipal needs. We need water. If the people continue to misuse water, there will be no water for drinking. Polluting water also a main causes for shortage of water. Student industries frequently dispose their industrial garbage into nearby rivers and lakes. So students, since it is an easy and cheap way to get rid of this waste, it leads to serious water pollution, which may result in severe water scarcity for people who rely on those water bodies for the water supply. So student, if people continue to misuse water, there will be no water for drinking. If we pollute the water, we have to suffer for the shortage of water. So student, it is necessary to save water because water is life. Although water is available in plenty, but student, only 1% is available for drinking the water for future use. Otherwise, there will be no water left on earth and hence no life. Student, nearly 70% of the world is covered by water and only 2.5% of it is fresh. The rest is saline and ocean based. Student, even then, just 1% of our fresh water is easily accessible, with much of it trapped in glacier and snow fields. So we have to use the water carefully. Various practices like rainwater harvesting, recycling water can be done to save water. Student, rainwater harvesting is to use the locally available rainwater to meet water requirement throughout the year. Student, the importance of rainwater harvesting lies in the fact that it can be stored for future use. Harvesting water reduces soil erosion. Student, recycling water allows us to continually reuse one of our most vital resources. Recycling water ensures that the water is safe for consumption and other practical uses. Have you understood, student? People need to understand the importance of water in our life. We should use water according to the need and requirement. It is necessary to save water, otherwise there will be no life on earth. Now student, let's see how we can save water by taking a little precautions. So student, the first thing is that you have to use a bucket for bathing instead of a shower, as it can save a lot of water. Correct, student? Then turn off the tap while brushing and washing hands. Then use it only when required. Only if you require water, then only you have to open the tap. Now student, there should be no leakage in the toilet and bathroom. If there any, so you have to tell your parents to fix it immediately to save water. Then turn off the tap while washing utensils. So like this student, you can save water in your day-to-day life. Have you understood, student? Student, every person on earth needs water to survive. Without it, many of us will get sick and even result in death. Conserving water is important because it keeps water pure and clean while protecting the environment. Conserving water means using our water supply wisely and to be responsible, otherwise there will be no life on earth without water. So student, it is necessary to save water. So student, let us all join hands and take a pledge to save water and thus save life on earth. Thank you student. Keep learning.